Hey guys, you must be hearing about cryptocurrency often in the news these days, but do you know what it is? In this video, I'll tell you what exactly is cryptocurrency and what are its types. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Cryptocurrency is also called as digital currency. It is a kind of digital asset which is used for the purchase of things or services. Cryptography is used in these currencies. This is a peer-to-peer electronic system which we can use to purchase goods and services in place of regular currencies through internet. In this system, the government can work without informing the banks, so some people believe that cryptocurrency can also be used in a wrong way. Now let's talk about the types of cryptocurrency. If seen, there are many cryptocurrencies, but there are only a few of them that are performing well and which you can use apart from Bitcoin. The first type is Bitcoin. If we talk about cryptocurrency and not talking about Bitcoin, then it is not possible at all. Because Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency in the world, which was created by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. It is a digital currency that is used to buy goods and services only online. It is a decentralized currency, which means that the government or any institution does not have any hand on it. The next type of cryptocurrency is Ethereum. Like Bitcoin, Ethereum is also an open source, decentralized blockchain based computing platform. The name of its founder is Vitalik Buterin. Its cryptocurrency token is also called as Ether. This platform helps its users to create a digital token with the help of which it can be used as a currency. Recently, a hard fork has split Ethereum into two halves, Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. It is the second most famous cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. The third type of cryptocurrency is Litecoin. Litecoin is also a decentralized peer-to-peer cryptocurrency. It is an open source software released under the MIT X11 license in October 2011 by Charles Lee, a former Google employee. The fourth type of cryptocurrency is Dogecoin. The story of the formation of Dogecoin is quite interesting. It was compared to a dog to mock Bitcoin, which later took the form of cryptocurrency. The name of its founder is Billy Markus. Like Litecoin, script algorithm is also used in this. Fifth type of cryptocurrency is Faircoin. Faircoin is a part of much larger Grand Socially Conscious Vision, which is a Spain-based cooperative organization also known as Catalan Integral Cooperative or CLC. It uses the blockchain technology of Bitcoin but with a more socially constructive design. Like other cryptocurrencies, Faircoin does not depend at all on mining or minting new coins. The next cryptocurrency is Dash. Its earlier names were Xcoin and Darkcoin. Dash means digital and cash. It is an open source peer-to-peer cryptocurrency similar to Bitcoin, but it has more features than Bitcoin, such as instant send and private send. In instant send, users can easily complete their transactions, while in private send, the transaction is completely safe, where the privacy of users is given great importance. Dash 11 uses an uncommon algorithm called X11, whose specialty is that it becomes compatible with very less powerful hardware so that more people can mine their currency themselves. X11 is a very energy efficient algorithm which consumes up to 30% less power than scripts. The next type of cryptocurrency is Peercoin. Peercoin, which is completely based on the Bitcoin protocol and in which many source codes are found. In this, to verify the transaction, not only the proof of work is relied upon, but also the proof of stake system is also taken into consideration. As the name suggests, Peercoin is also peer-to-peer cryptocurrency similar to Bitcoin, in which the source code has been released under the MIT X11 software license. Peercoin also uses the SHA-256 algorithm similar to Bitcoin, and it requires very little power to do transactions and mining. The next type of cryptocurrency is Ripple. Ripple was released in 2012 and it is based on distributed open source protocol. Ripple is a real-time gross settlement system (RTGS) which runs its own cryptocurrency, which is also known as Ripples. It is a very much and famous cryptocurrency and has an overall market cap of around 10 billion. According to their officials, Ripples provides users with the secure, instant and nearly free global financial transactions of any size and without any chargebacks. The next type of cryptocurrency is Monero. It is actually born from the fork of Bitcoin in the year 2012 and since then it has made a famous profit. This cryptocurrency works in all systems such as Windows, Mac, Linux, Android and FreeBSD. Like Bitcoin, Monero also focuses on privacy and decentralization. The most important difference between Bitcoin and Monero is that high-end GPUs are used in Bitcoin, whereas consumer-level CPUs are used in Monero. Okay, now let's talk about what are the advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrency. Now, the advantage with cryptocurrency is that the chances of fraud in cryptocurrency are very less. If we talk about cryptocurrency, then they are more secure than normal digital payment. Transaction fees are also very less in this if we talk about other payment options. In this, the accounts are very secure because different types of cryptography algorithms are used in it. The disadvantage in cryptocurrency is that once the transaction is completed, it is impossible to reverse it because there are no such options in it. If your wallet is lost, then it is lost forever as it is not possible to recover it. In such situation, whatever money you have in your wallet will be lost forever. Alright, thanks for watching this video so far. That is all in this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel cause I will be bringing more such videos.